Okay, now let's talk about comparing the files. Now the first command we will use, which is the compare command. So remember when we have the test.txt file here, you can see that we have it here. Okay, so just let's copy this file to make a copy from it using the cp command. So let's name this test file, the source is test, and the destination, it will be test_cp. Okay, now let's using vim editor test_cp, and let's delete the last two lines. Control, and how to do such a thing, press dd to remove a line, again d, as you can see here we have d here, d to remove the files, and then shift colon, or the colon here, wq. Okay, now let's clear the screen. Now we want to compare the files between test.txt and test_cp.txt. You will notice that it has all of the following, but the difference is that we have hi again here and hi there, and we don't have them there. All right, cool. Now let's use another command called diff. Okay, diff, or the difference. Now diff, again the same file and the second file like this, and you will notice that on the left file, which is this one, as you can see on the left, we have hi there, hi again, or hi there. Okay, but here we don't have them. All right, now there is another command called vimdiff. Okay, so vimdiff, use the first line, the first file I mean, and the second file, and you will notice actually this is a visual, and it is better than the previous. So here you can see that the hi again and hi there are here but are not there. All right, now shift colon q like this and quit again from the other one, because we opened two files, and here we can see the difference. By the way, vimdiff, compare, diff, it has a lot of features. Just open the manual and look for them. Like you can see that a lot of options and features. Okay, for now I just give you a quick introduction about them, high level. When times come, we can use more feature for them. For now, keep that on your mind.